Hello everyone, this is Aaron Giampietro with your June 2021 Tomato Bite Update. The season has started here at Liberty Packing on June 25th, running organic bulk tomato paste, our fire roaster, and specialty green packs. Our harvesting and trucking teams arrived in the Imperial Valley last week and started harvest approximately 490 miles from our factory. This is an unusually early start for tomato production in California, driven by a commitment to our customers to deliver product in light of an 18% organic yield shortage in 2020. Our vertically integrated supply chain is using close to 100 truck drivers at any given time to maintain steady supply to the factory. We're excited to be the first in California with 2021 organic tomato paste, and pleased to find our extensive planning for this early run is bringing our customers to the new crop. So far, the weather pattern in June has seen intermittent bursts of high temperatures, with daily average highs ranging from 85 to 110 degrees Fahrenheit. Fortunately, evening temperatures remain cool, with a diurnal range of about 35 to 45 Fahrenheit. Drip irrigation systems are highly effective at cooling the plant through temperature spikes, and cooler evenings give the plant time to rest and recover. We'll be watching the heat effects on crop yield and quality very closely, as excessive, prolonged heat events can reduce fruit yield as well as degrade the fruit color. At the moment, our team is neutral on tomato quality and yield expectations and continues to remain observant. We anticipate our southern harvest will start approximately July 10th and our northern harvest about 10 days later. Yield will be a high area of focus this crop, as it relates to both grower profitability and finished goods fulfillment of contracted demand. The latest CLFP inventory report indicates June 1st, 2021 inventory is 26.5% lower than the same time last year. Prices for tomato ingredients have firmed in light of this, and we found that our original assumptions of export demand falling off due to price sensitivity was not as great as expected, as global production overall provides limited opportunities to switch away from California. In light of this global dynamic for 2021, CLFP stock report from June and USDA crop intentions report published in May, we anticipate seeing June 1st, 2022 at record low inventory levels of approximately 2.5 months of stock on hand. Our sales team is actively working with all customers of all sizes to ensure our 2021 pack execution can effectively bridge to 2022. We encourage you to study the information resources on our website and inquire if you have any additional questions, comments, or insights. We look forward to updating you next month on yields and quality and what to expect for August. Thank you.